And well, India Today spoke exclusively to NDRF DIG Mohsen Shahedi over the preparations in place for Cyclone Ditwa. Let's listen in to what he said.
Cyclone Ditwa is in the Indian southern part at the moment and has traversed through Sri Lanka, has caused massive destruction and devastation. But NDRF teams are centered both where the impact region is in India as well as continuing on rescue operations in our neighbor country, Sri Lanka. I have with me Mohsen Shahedi ji, who is the DIG of the NDRF. Sir, what does the trajectory look like and what are your preparations according to what the IMD has predicted for the cyclone?
See, as you can see on the map, this cyclone trajectory shows that, the cyclonic storm which was developed, circulation that developed into a cyclonic storm on 27th, and it has moved, through Sri Lanka. Now it is moving towards the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, and it is expected that on 30th, that is tomorrow morning, it will be at the closest point near, Tamil Nadu, and it could be a distance of between 25 to 60 kilometers at the closest point. And considering this situation, the coastal regions of Tamil Nadu, they would be impacted, and that is why we have planned our deployment accordingly. And this cyclonic storm is likely to, weaken further on 1st of December into a depression.
Right.
So right now our focus is for today and tomorrow, and keeping this in view, we have deployed 14 teams. As you can see on this map, 14 teams have been deployed in the coastal areas of Tamil Nadu, and also we have provided for the teams in Andhra Pradesh, in the southern part of the Andhra Pradesh, where there could be slight impact. And our teams are also in reserve. 10 teams have been airlifted from Pune and Vadodara, and they are likely to reach by noon in Chennai, and further they will be, placed in the important areas.